Hi, my name is Chris Stoddard. I am a Dare Extension Master Gardener volunteer. We are continuing our series on plants that survive and thrive on the Outer Banks with a shrub that grows well and is easy to take care of. Shrubs are important features of a landscape. They are usually multi-stemmed woody plants that are less than 16 feet tall. They can be used as accent plants, borders, or hedges and foundation plants at the base of a house or other structures. Environmentally, they can function as windbreaks, help prevent soil erosion, and serve as food sources and habitats for birds, insects, and other animals. The coastal sweet pepper bush, sometimes referred to as summersweet, provides all of these features. Every Outer Banks home should have one of these great native shrubs for their yard as a border or accent plant. The coastal sweet pepper bush does not spread rapidly, is easy to cultivate, and usually very available in our area. It does well in USDA plant hardiness zones 5 through 9. The Outer Banks is considered zone 8B, so this native shrub really does thrive well. And the greatest advantage for coastal gardeners is that it has excellent salt spray tolerance. When only a few other shrubs are blooming in mid to late summer, the sweet pepper bush is filled with bright white, pink, or rose flowers that provide a fragrance even from several feet away. The sweet pepper bush may grow 4 to 10 feet wide depending on its location. It tolerates many soils, but does best in moist, well-drained soil. It prefers partial shade, but can adapt to either less light as well as full sun, with some shade where summers can be really hot. It gets stressed if it gets too dry and may need to be watered during really hot, dry periods. In mid to late summer, the sweet pepper bush produces dense flower spikes that are about a half an inch wide, 4 to 6 inches long, and very fragrant. These flowers attract bees, butterflies, and hummingbirds. Small fruits form, which are about an 1/8 inch round pods that mature in the autumn. They are about the size of peppercorns. They attract many songbirds that overwinter on the Outer Banks. Deer are not usually attracted to this plant. Ruby spice and pink spires are just two of many selections of sweet pepper bush. Ruby spice is known to be the most tolerant of coastal conditions. It grows 6 to 8 feet tall and wide. This shrub is deciduous, which means it will lose its leaves during the winter. But in the fall, the leaves turn a rich yellow, which adds desirable color to the fall landscape. In the landscape, the sweet pepper bush can be used as a border or as a single accent specimen. Because it is a slow to moderate grower, it is quite manageable in the garden. When first planting, supplement the soil with organic material or compost. During the first year, it may need watered more frequently until it is established. You can prune it in late winter if necessary and remove any dead branches. In long, hot, dry periods, leaves may drop, which indicates it needs water. It is normally very drought and salt tolerant. Give the coastal sweet pepper bush a try in your Outer Banks landscape. I know you will be pleasantly surprised with its many attributes. If you have any questions concerning these plants or any gardening issue, Master Gardeners are available to answer your questions at 473-4290 or email greenlineobx@gmail.com. Thank you for listening.